Hello, 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 coaches. What's up? Welcome to July's Done For You bundle. And I'm super excited about this bundle, like always, but this one I'm really excited about. This one is about habits, tiny habits that will change your life and your client life as well. You guys know I'm all about implementing new habits and new ways into my life to make my whole life and business even better. So, this training you guys are going to love, and you're going to love to share it with your clients, and your clients are going to love it as well. So, let's take a deep dive into what is included in this month's Tiny Habits. All right, so tiny habits, small improvements over time by becoming 1% better every day, every single day. 1%, little tiny little habits will make a major difference in your life. So as you guys know, I do the typical research, let you know that this is a good topic. I searched under the term build good habits, and as you can see over to your left hand side over here, you're going to see some terms and some search terms that people are searching for. So this could be terms that you can use to change the name of the packet if you want to, like how to build good habits and break bad ones. That could be a great title that you can use. Let's build good habits could be a great workshop title as well. I also did my research on YouTube to let you know that this is a great topic people are searching for as well. And as you can see this video right here, how to use planner to build better habits. Some of you already have a planner, so this will be a great way to incorporate a planner that you already have in this training as well. As you can see, this video got 2004 different views, as well as views on Facebook. You also have this training down at the bottom where it says 6 ways to build good habits and keep them. This video right now has 4,008 views on YouTube, and as well as 183 views on Facebook. And you got my two not almost, but favorite books, Atomic Habits and The Power of Habits. Both of these books are Amazon bestseller books. And I think Atomic Habits is a New York Times bestseller. Yeah, it is right here on top. Both of these are New York Times bestsellers. Duh. Awesome, right? Great topic for you guys to introduce to your clients. It's a great way if you already have something like a planner. Again, you can incorporate this training as a bonus, or you can have the planner as a physical item that they can get, and then they get this training as well. It's a great win-win situation for your clients. So let's go on to July dates and post ideas. So here's some monthly marketing terms, themes that you can use in your business. So you've got July the 5th is Workaholic Day. July the 12th is Simplicity Day. July the 13th is Embrace Your Geekness Day. 21st is Junk Food Day. 25th is Parents Day. And the 30th is International Day of Friendship. So Workaholic Days, Simplicity Day, and Embrace Your Geekness Day can really incorporate the habits, right? How to stop working, being a workaholic, incorporate these tiny habits, how to have a more simple life by introducing tiny habits to improve your life, how to embrace your geekness by doing things that, technology, or how to incorporate more things that you love into your life, in your business or in your personal life, et cetera, et cetera. So that's how you can tie in tiny habits. And then let's take a look into this beautiful Done For You Masterclass course training. As you can see, you get 35 slides with the notes, and it also includes a 3-page worksheet. So the worksheet will help your clients follow along with what you're teaching. I'm all about implementing what you teach and having it stick. You want transformation for your clients, right? And so having a worksheet, you might think is a very small thing, but having people have a worksheet to fill out after they have attended your training or while you are teaching the training is actually going to allow the information stick better, and they're going to see ways to transform their life, like using these tiny habits into their personal life. Okay. So worksheets are the bomb, and you want to include them with every teaching course or masterclass that you have. All right, so you got the Done For You Masterclass sales copy. This is the copy that you can use to actually sell the Tiny Habits Masterclass. I've heard from you guys a couple of weeks ago that you didn't even know this was in here. I don't know how you missed this, but it is in here. This is a 237 word sales copy, all done for you, that you can use to sell your Tiny Habits Masterclass. So use it. And my favorite, oh my gosh, y'all, I absolutely love this tracker sheet. This is a lead magnet that you can to use as a freebie, to build your list, or you can use it as a paid product. So let's talk about how we can use these tracker sheets. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with 13 tracker sheets. It will track the habits. It could track, your monthly things that you want to do, your weekly things you want to track. And people are tracking their debt, their monthly bills, their savings, their wellness. It's all of these pages are included in this lead magnet or tracker sheet bundle, booklet, however you want to call it. And I also include line sheets and unlined sheets, and you get the cover and you get the back of the book. And the reason why I included both of these in here is you can actually pull all these pages together, maybe like duplicate the pages all in Canva, because all of this is done for you in Canva. You can duplicate the pages and now create a real physical book to sell. I know a lot of you love this, and this will be a great company with, if you already have a planner, right? If I can get my words out. If you already have a planner, this is a great added addition. That's right. Supplement. That's the word I want to use. Supplement to go along with what you already have. If you don't have a planner, physical planner, now you got a tracker book. I love keeping track of what I do. Right now in my notebook, I have a tracker page that I have actually like cut out and paste inside of my notebook. So I use them, and I know a lot of people are using these too. And you can also search for tracker books or habit tracking journals on Amazon, and you're going to see that there are tons of it, which means that they are popular. If there are a lot of things on Amazon or any other store that you see, that means that's a popular item and people are buying. So you can actually duplicate the pages, create a physical book, or this will be a great ebook as well as a paid product. Or if you want to, you can offer it as free. You can show it's a free product. You can actually do one page, like give one page at a time, like a habit tracker sheet. Download your free habit tracker sheet, or hey, download your wellness tracker sheet. These type of things, those can be freebies. So you don't have to give all of these things as a freebie, but you can give out individual sheets. Okay, I love it. I just absolutely love this lead magnet that's already done for you inside of this. So I can't wait to see how you guys use that. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have the Done For You graphics and articles. So you got 4 graphics, as you can see over here to the left-hand side. And you also get the 4 content articles. Remember, these articles can be used as video content. I did a training on how to use the articles as video content a couple of weeks ago. If you didn't see that video, then go inside of the Facebook group. Look for the hashtag marketing meeting. I think you can say it was June's marketing meeting. It was in June. So you can go into marketing meetings. You can look for hashtag done for you ideas. I think that's another hashtag you can look for. But I went through in a training on how you can use the articles as video content inside of the Facebook group. Okay. You can also use the articles for blog posts. You can use them for emails. You can use them as maybe you are guest post somewhere else. You can use these articles as guest posting as well. You can use it as content for your podcast, etc., etc. These articles can be used in multiple ways. And I've got videos coming up on how you can use all of this Done For You content in so many different ways. Like I'm going to drop a new video every single month. Hopefully the goal is to do it twice a month. We'll see. But at least every month you're going to have content on how to use this Done For You bundles in your coaching business. Okay. Every single month. All right. Okay, and then you have the Done For You to-do list and content caption. So again, every week I give you like a tracker sheet on tracking what the things that you should do on a weekly basis, what article you can post, what graphic you can post, in the caption that you can use as well. I do this, I break this down for you week by week so that you can just look at it, post it, have it in front of you every week to know that you're doing the things to grow your coaching business and to attract paying clients. So this is the content planner. And then that's it, guys. I hope you guys love the Tiny Habits Masterclass, the lead magnet booklet, the worksheets, everything that comes in Tiny Habits. I love, 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 love. Y'all hear that, right? July's Done For You bundle. And I know that you're going to love it and your clients are going to love it too. Who doesn't want to improve their life? And who doesn't want to improve it the easiest way possible? In this training, I share with you how you can teach your clients how to improve their habits by 1%. One tiny little habit will get you big results at the end. Okay, you guys enjoy, and I will be talking to you later. Peace out.